Good afternoon, this is Jody Casa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ito po yung latest animation ng Tropical Storm Christine o may international name na Trami. Tropical Storm Christine ay nasa offshore pa rin o nasa dagat pa rin ang tinatayang sentro ng bagyo. Subalit, yung makapal na ulap nito simula pa kahapon ay nakakaapekto na sa nakararaming bahagi ng Luzon, ilang bahagi ng Visayas at Mindanao. Ang sentro ng bagyo ay namataang 255 km silangan ng Aurora. Tiglay nito ang lakas ng hangin na 100 km per hour. Ngayon, ito pa yung mga latest tropical cyclone wind signal number 2 ay manamataan sa bandang Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Apayao, Abra, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Benguet, Cagayan including Babuyan Islands, Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Aurora, Nueva Ecija, Bulacan, Tarlac, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Metro Manila, Cavite, Laguna, Rizal, Quezon including Polillo Islands, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Albay, northeastern portion of Sorsogon. Ang signal number 1 naman po ay sa Aklan, Capiz, Antique, including Caluya Islands, Iloilo, Guimaras, northern portion of Negros Occidental, northern portion of Negros Oriental, northern and central portions of Cebu, including Bantayan Islands and Camotes Islands, Bohol, Eastern Samar, Northern Samar, Samar, Leyte, Biliran, Southern Leyte, Dinagat Islands, Surigao del Norte, including Siargao, Bucas, Grande Group. At sa Luzon naman yung sa Batanes, Batangas, Occidental Mindoro including Lubang Islands, Oriental Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, Calamian Islands, rest of Sorsogon, Masbate including Ticao and Boreas Islands. See you sa susunod na latest forecast track ng ating binabantayang bagyong si Tropical Storm Christine.